Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert columns in Microsoft Word document. So very easy and simple way guys to insert the column. Just keep your cursor there and click on layout. So if you see the home tab, click on layout tab and here click on column. Here you can select column like 2, 3, left or right, like 2 column, 3 column, left column and right. If you want to see effect, so you need some text, like we have text here. So this is the one left column. Make 3 column. So this time we have the 3 column. So still we need some text. So now we can see that 3 column this time, 2 column. So this way you can insert columns in Microsoft Word document. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.